Hello and welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we will do a twin flame read. We will look at the divine masculine energies and the divine feminine energies, and we'll see how this Mercury retrograde is affecting our twin flames. Hope it's not very harsh for you guys. So the divine masculine's energies will be on this side, and then the divine feminine energy will be on this side, and then we'll just see an overall situation thing right in the center. So let's start with our read for today. We will look at the divine masculines recent past situation a little bit, and then we'll see what will be the current energies, and then if you guys are trying to communicate or maybe just trying to telepathically send some messages. So we'll see all of that in this read. Just remember, these are general reads. It may or may not resonate with everyone, but if it resonates with you, do let me know in the comment section below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's look at the divine masculine energy. Divine masculine energy. Okay. So this Mercury retrograde is getting hard for our divine masculine. What's up, divine masculines? Your time to heal. In the recent past, we have the Five of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, and then the Ace of Wands. Definitely new beginnings, but if you will be trusting the intuition and if you will be knowing who your Queen of Pentacles is. Because whatever you're dealing with, it's your queen, it's your divine feminine who can actually help you to come out of a certain situation. You are feeling very emotionally low because you're just feeling like everybody's throwing their anger, throwing their tantrums, throwing their bad words, just using all the bad words just for you, and it's only you who's dealing with everything alone. But then, in the recent past, for some of the divine masculines, you have finally realized, like your intuition has finally told you that this is the only energy, this divine feminine energy is the only energy that can help you heal, that can actually stand forward and stand in front of you, and she can actually face all these challenges because she's pretty healed, that we see here. And then comes, for some of you, could have been new beginnings, divine masculines, because you have finally accepted the fact. So I would not really say that I can see the communication here that the divine masculine has contacted divine feminine or something, but the divine masculine knows in his mind now, intuitively, that divine feminine is his queen and he eventually has to go towards her, and then only they can have the new beginnings with the Ace of Wands here. And that's the recent past energy, so it has already happened for most of you. Let's see what was the recent past energy for our divine feminines. Divine feminine, recent past energy for you guys. Divine feminine, what you have been dealing with all this while. Okay. Stability. Okay. You might have ended something and might have gone towards something that we can say is a new beginning for our divine feminines. And the energy seems to be so stable that we don't need to think, because divine feminine, all you're doing is just trusting the universe. Like after this full moon, because with the Two of Wands here, after this full moon, your energy has been so stable. You have been trusting the universe so much. You're like, whatever universe you're telling me is true. So that actually has brought this new beginning into your life. And again, I don't see communication here, but at least in your mind you know something. Just as I said for divine masculines, in their mind they know what they are waiting for, actually not waiting for, what they have to go towards, and you know what is the new beginning for you. And then we have the Eight of Cups, which is again, universe is giving a lot of blessings to you. Universe is showering their love, and because you are trusting your intuition so much, your intuition is so spot on, there are a lot of opportunities coming your way, or maybe have come your way in the recent past, and you are growing. I do see that the divine feminine here, the divine feminine could be a water sign, not necessarily, but I do see that the divine feminine can be a water sign. Okay, so that was the recent past energies for our masculines and our feminines. Let's see how your current energies are. We will look at the divine masculines current energies first. Divine masculines current energies. Universe, please show us how our divine masculines are feeling. Very emotionally unstable, because underneath the deck I didn't want to see that, but it's Ace of Cups. So our divine masculines are actually ready to approach you, are actually ready to come towards the divine feminine with the Ace of Cups here. Wow. And it's not emotional instability, I would say. It's more of an excitement feeling that I can feel here for the divine masculines that's coming up. So let's see what are the current energies of our divine masculines. Universe, current energies of divine masculines. Balance. Balance only when the divine masculine realized that she is the queen, like she is my queen, about the divine feminine. Okay, so in the current situation we have the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Chariot, which means finally you have made the right decision. You are stable, divine masculines. Wonderful. And this full moon was just perfect for you. You were just going, this full moon has pushed you towards the divine feminine a lot, because I do see you just going and flowing towards the divine feminine energy, because this particular divine feminine energy has given you a lot of stability in life, and you know that you have to build a home with our divine feminine. Nice, 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 nice. Perfect. Let's see what are the current energies of our divine feminines. Pretty good read for twin flames. During Mercury retrograde, I don't expect such reads very often, but for some of you, this Mercury retrograde has really worked out, and this full moon has really worked out. Current energies of our divine feminines. It's stable energy. Yeah, it's kind of stable energy. Yeah, it is stable. Divine feminine, you're only thinking about points, you're only thinking about finances. So we have the Six of Pentacles, the Five of Pentacles, and then we have the Five of Cups. Not trying, but in the current energies, I do see you making a balance in your finances, trying to improve your finances, and there's abundance also coming your way, because I do see abundance coming your way. Yes, you're running after pentacles, I can say that, with a very stable energy, you are running after pentacles. No doubt on that. Don't know if it's the right thing to do, but that's what's happening and that's what I see here. So, and then we have the Five of Cups. You are stable, just looking towards the divine masculine with a very stable energy with whatever they're doing, but not very concerned, not in a mood that I would say that you are continuously thinking about them. No, it's just that you're looking towards them. Okay, that person is the divine masculine. Okay, fine. So it's that kind of energy, because your focus here is pentacles, your finances, your career, and divine masculine's focus here actually is that they have to come towards you and they are just floating towards you. It's just like coming from overseas or coming just flying towards you, I would say. So divine masculine could be flying towards you. That is the current energy that we have here. So either they are planning a trip, or they have already maybe you both live in different countries, different cities, and they have to fly towards you. So that's what's happening. Or also, one thing that I see here is maybe they traveled during this full moon time, and that was the time when they were coming, that they were actually flying to your country or whatever. So that could be for some of you, but not all. But definitely the divine masculine's focus is you, and your focus is money, trying to make a balance. Okay, let's see how this Mercury retrograde is gonna end for our twin flames. Is it gonna bring some kind of communication, or is it actually gonna get you both together? We will see all that right away. Let's see for divine masculine first. What comes up for our divine masculines for the immediate future energy of the divine masculines. Nice. So this is ending pretty good. We have the Four of Cups, the Sun, and the Ace of Pentacles for our divine masculine. So the immediate future energy is that they are just so much in love with you. You have the Sun card here, you have marriage, you have this committed relationship. I won't say that you will start communicating with this person now, or you will you will just keep on calling them, or you'll have some kind of communication, but it is more of an official thing that I see here. And during this Mercury retrograde, I can feel that. And then we have the Ace of Pentacles. So all the divine wishes, whatever you both were wishing till now, is going to be granted, and you guys will be together. So pretty nice twin flame read during Mercury retrograde time, which is a surprise actually. Let's see the immediate future for our divine feminine, who's not concerned about the divine masculine and who's not thinking about the divine masculine. Let's see what she is doing, because divine masculine is completely into you. Let's see what our feminines are feeling, how their immediate future energies before this Mercury retrograde end will be. Immediate future energies for okay. Immediate future energy for our feminines, we have the Judgment, the Page of Cups, and then the Strength card. So you are keeping up strength with your financial things. Again, you're just stuck in that energy. So your immediate future feminines, you are just stuck in that energy. But the divine masculine, as we can see, that we have the Ace of Pentacles here. so that if the divine masculine is coming towards you, you're getting into an official relationship, you already have the Ace of Pentacles. So you have to keep up your strength till this divine masculine enters your life, because then it's all going to be sorted out. And right now, yes, you're in this kind of a judgment mode. You are thinking way too much. You have a lot of opportunities around. You're not able to understand, what am I supposed to do? Shall I go this way, that way? What's happening? You're trying to intuitively grab all the opportunities, which you will be, of course, because the universe is on your end. And you are keeping up with your strength pretty nicely. So keep up with your strength, and I do see your whatever you're going through, because there are when so many opportunities come in your life at a single time, you have to avail all of them. Of course, stress comes with that, but you are trying to keep your calm, and you're trying to grab all those opportunities, and you will be able to. With the Page of Cups, you will definitely be able to. Let's see the overall energy for our twin flames for Mercury retrograde. What's the overall energy for our twin flames before this Mercury retrograde ends? How the energies are gonna be, overall energy for our twin flames before the Mercury retrograde ends. Okay. Someone still not opening up right now, and I see it's the feminine energy this time. It's not the masculine energy. It could be the masculine, but in their own mind they are pretty stable, and I don't see that maybe you both are not putting in the effort to communicate or do something. That's why we have the Page of Wands and the Knight of Cups for the overall energy. But again, stability is coming your way. You will be flying high. There's love in your life, and it's stable. It's a very stable energy. And if we talk about divine masculine, he's like dying to meet you, dying to make this relationship official. So I don't think there's anything else we can think about right now. With the Knight of Cups, yeah, there's love, but you guys are not telling each other, maybe, because one is more concerned about finances and the other one is in their own mind. So again, as I said before, I don't see communication particularly here, but when the thing comes, when the divine masculine comes, it's just gonna come like, okay, I'm here, I want to make this relationship committed. It's just gonna be a one time, and it's gonna be a one-time thing. It'll be a surprise kind of a thing. It's not like you'll communicate for like 6 months and then something's gonna happen, but it'll be an on the spot kind of a thing. Let's see what is the guidance from the universe for our divine masculines first. Universe, please guide our divine masculines. Universe, guide our divine masculines. Okay, so divine masculines, I know you're very sure in your mind, but as I said, you are flying to a certain place, so you might have to go through some kind of judgments, some kind of negative energies, some kind of some people would not want you both together, so you will have to go through all those things before you can actually come towards the divine feminine, because we have 9 of Swords here. So definitely there are some kind there's some kind of negative energies, and maybe your family is gonna say no, or could be anything. Maybe people are gonna create problem for sure. That's what we see here. But as you can see, you're the King of Pentacles here. So which means that you're the king, you are stable, so you have to be in this stable energy and do not worry about anything. Yes, you have to be alone in this thing, nobody is gonna stand by you, but you will have to keep up with your strength and continue, because you know what you are doing intuitively is right and the energy that you're going towards is right. So that is the guidance for our divine masculines. Be mindful of what is coming your way. Let's see what is the guidance for our divine feminines. What is the guidance for our divine feminines? Universe, please guide our divine feminines. Okay. Hold yourself stronger. There's money coming your way. There are pentacles coming your way. What you are concerned about right now, even the divine masculine is coming your way. Underneath the deck, we have the 8 of Pentacles for you, and then we have the 7 of Pentacles. So there's a lot of money coming your way, but you have the Hangman here, so you have to stay stronger. You have to keep up with this energy for a long time, because I'm saying long time because during Mercury retrograde, I know 24 hours feels like 3 days, 4 days. So keep up with your energy. Do not get anxious. Do not get into the fears that how things are gonna work out, because you do have some kind of fears too that I see here with the 4 of Swords. But stay stronger. Universe is guiding you. You have all the intuition coming your way, and you have all the money coming your way again. So that is the guidance for our masculines and feminines. If this read resonated with you, do let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you need a personal read with me, please click on the link that will be in the description, and you'll be redirected to my website, and then you can just fill the contact form there and we shall be in touch with you. So I would see you all in the next read. Till then, take care. Bye bye.